Hi guys, my name's Morgan Silva and I'm a makeup and hairstylist, and today I'm working with Aderans Hair Goods, home of René of Paris, Noriko, and Amore. And today I'm going to show you how to get an iconic Taylor Swift look. First, I'm going to start off doing the eyes, prep the eyes with a primer. I like to describe primer as glue of eyeshadow. Set the eyeshadow with a neutral shadow. Going back in there with a brownish undertone, just going to do the corners. Now I'm going to go in there with a winged liner. We're going to go ahead and apply lashes, and I'm going to just do these very simple wispy lashes. I just applied lash glue. Wait till it dries up a bit, gets a little tacky, and it's just easier for it to stick. Always do your edge first, your end first. Now we're going to go ahead and start on the brows. Stroking up is going to give it that more natural type flare. And remember guys, brows are sisters, they are not twins. Mine are cousins. mine are long lost cousins. Now we're gonna go ahead and start on skin. I'm starting off with moisturizer. And I'm gonna go in there with a primer. Start on foundation. And I do like my beauty blenders damp. It takes away the famous word cakiness. And add some concealer. Pushing all the product into the skin. Now I'm going to go in there and set the foundation and concealer. I'm using a shade, obviously that's her skin tone, to prevent any creasing. And I'm going to go in there with a bronzer, just a few shades up. A good way to kind of find your cheekbones if you suck in your cheeks. So this angle right here is where you're gonna wanna put any type of bronzer. Look at it as like a 3. So you would add a little bit on the forehead, come down to the cheekbone, down to the jawline. Add a blush. I'm using this highlight. It has more of like the pink undertone. I'm gonna go back in there on the eyeliner just to kind of go over the glue. We're just gonna go back with that neutral brown color, add some under the lash line. The same one I used for the blush, I'm just gonna add on the eyes. Add a little bit of liner on the waterline. And add some mascara just to kind of blend in her natural lashes with the false lash. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the iconic red lip. I'm going in with a red liner. Put some red lipstick on. We're gonna go ahead and complete this iconic Taylor Swift look using the new Scorpio wig and champagne blush from the new Orchid Collection. So this wig is absolutely in trend. It's super cute for fall and it's super Taylor. So let's go ahead and complete this iconic look. So if you guys need any tips or tricks on how to apply the wig or wig cap, go ahead and check out our YouTube channel. This Scorpio wig is everything. And there you have it. So this look is really inspired by Taylor Swift. It's definitely a great Halloween look, but it's gorgeous for every day. Date night, girls night. Leave any comments below. Feel free to tag us at René of Paris and let us know what you think.